Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to buy and sell Bitcoin on Cash App. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Cash App on your phone and make sure you have enough money available in your Cash App balance. Cash App uses your available balance or linked payment method to purchase Bitcoin. Next, tap on the Bitcoin tab. Here, you'll see the current Bitcoin price, your Bitcoin balance, and a price chart showing Bitcoin's recent performance. To buy Bitcoin, tap the Buy button. You can either choose one of the preset amounts or enter a custom amount. After that, tap Next. Cash App will show you the estimated amount of Bitcoin you'll receive along with any applicable transaction fees. Review the details carefully, then confirm the purchase using your Cash PIN, Face ID, or Touch ID. Once the purchase is complete, your Bitcoin balance will increase and the purchase amount will be deducted from your Cash App balance. If you want to send or receive Bitcoin, tap the Transfer button. From here, you can choose Send Bitcoin to transfer Bitcoin to another wallet, or Receive Bitcoin to display your Bitcoin wallet address or QR code for receiving Bitcoin. To sell Bitcoin, return to the Bitcoin page and tap the Sell button. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to sell, then tap Next. Cash App will display the estimated amount you'll receive and any applicable selling fees. Review the information, then confirm the transaction. Once the sale is complete, the proceeds will be added to your Cash App balance, and you can keep the funds in Cash App or transfer them to your linked bank account whenever you want. And that's it! So that's basically how you can buy and sell Bitcoin on Cash App. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.